Every day, poultry farms collect thousands of data points. Feed consumption, mortality, water intake, bird weight, temperature, vaccinations. The question is, are you using the data to improve profitability? Most poultry farms already have the information they need, but it's scattered across notebooks, WhatsApp messages, and spreadsheets. By the time someone notices a problem, the flock has already lost valuable performance. When farm data isn't connected, feed conversion slowly declines. Health issues go unnoticed. Vaccinations are delayed. Traceability becomes difficult. And every small inefficiency quietly reduces your profit. These losses don't happen overnight. They happen every single day. That's why we built NavFarm, a complete poultry farm ERP built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and powered by Microsoft Azure. Designed specifically for modern poultry operations, NavFarm transforms farm data into real-time decisions. Track every flock from placement to dispatch, monitor feed, mortality, and bird performance. Receive automatic alerts before problems grow. Generate complete farm-to-fork traceability. And manage your entire operation from one intelligent platform. The future of poultry farming isn't collecting more information. It's making better use of the information you already have. NavFarm turn your farm data into better decisions and better profits.